Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can use Microsoft Forms and what are the features available right now. So let's start. If you are new to this channel, subscribe below and press the bell icon for getting notification of new videos. First click on forms.office.com and then click on new form. Now the new form will appear and this is the title section. Here on the right hand side you will find this icon. From this icon you can add any image from website, OneDrive or from your computer, but make sure that image is copyright free. I have shared some links of websites where you will find copyright free images. Please check for that in the description section. Now enter a suitable title and description for the form. For example, I have typed demo setup in the title section and then demo in the description section. Now click on add new to add new questions. Here you will find different options like choice, text, rating, date, ranking and many others from drop down section. I am selecting text here. Now in this question you will find this insert media option. Here you can add any image or video relating to the question. For example, I am typing name here. Now click on add new for adding new questions. Here you will find same options. You may select any of them and some question ideas below. You may select any one from them. I am selecting text here. Now let's type father's name here. Now click on add new. Here you will find the same options and you will also find some question ideas. You may select any of them. I am selecting text here. Now in the third question, let's type city. In this way you may prepare your form. Now click on the three dots on the right upper hand side. Here go to the settings and you will find options for responses. Here you will find different options like start date, end date, shuffle questions, email notification, even you can customize thank you message. Now click on send option. Here you will find different options to collect responses. Here you will find a website link which you may open from any browser. You will find a QR code option and you also find a HTML code and even you can collect responses using email. Here you will also find Facebook and Twitter option for sharing your form in social media. I have already copied the URL link. Now let's open it in new tab. Now this is the form as it looks. First I am filling some data. Then I will show how you can export it to Excel or spreadsheet. After filling the form, click on submit button. Now you will find the final response page. Your response was submitted, thank you. After that, open your form and go to the response page. You will find all the responses of your form. Here you can export these responses in Excel or spreadsheet format. Now the last thing is that you can change background color graphics of your form from the themes. There are many options available, just select any one and done. If you like this video, please press the like button. Thank you.